Suran burger, Suran sabzi.
When my mother-in-law introduced me to Suran, I was like, what the hell? Because we never made this in our house. But she has made the most awesome stuff with Suran, and we're going to show you how we're going to do it. Alright guys, I've been working out for this moment because this is not going to be easy. This is not happening. The things you make me do, man, sassy sasu. Look how beautiful the Suran is. Gorgeous color.
I'm going to do the potatoes separate and the Suran separate because the cooker won't handle everything together.
My God, I can imagine you must have been the sweetest babu, looking so nice and cute, doing ghar ka. Oh, you were.
I was.
You were. Now, what happened to you now?
Now I grew up into this monster mother-in-law. Let's start by salting the potato. Just rub it all over it. Once you rub it, you place it into an aluminium tin or whatever. Put water in the cooker but not into the potatoes. Before you peel the Suran, please oil your hands as it causes a little itchiness. Steam the Suran the same way you did the potatoes. Drain slightly and mix them together. I'm adding the ginger and the green chili paste and some chopped onions. To this, lots of lovely coriander, some extra salt which you might need, and then finally we add some jeera powder to this, just roasted jeera powder. To bind this, we need some bread which has been soaked and squeezed. Chuck everything together, give it a good mash.
As you can see, I always make my sasu do the hard work.
Don't talk too much. I'll make you do this, huh? Shape your patty as per your bun size and simply shallow fry it. Look at the color on that Suran and potato mix. Beautiful.
You know, elephant foot yam is actually really tasty because it absorbs any flavor you put into it. It's full of nutrients, and I swear I'm not giving you gyan here, but it's really good for your skin, guys. Really.
I'm starting with the Suran bhaji with ghee. Lots of ghee. And into this, you add the same ginger and green mirchi paste as per your spice quotient. To this, once you fry it a little, you add your jeera. Then lots and lots of peanuts. Yum. Add your Suran, add your potato, add your salt to this, and now what you do is you turn it full upside down over and over so that the salt mixes. Lots of coriander and lots of grated coconut. Look at those colors. Buns are ready to eat. This is a very Indian style burger, so I just use onion, tomatoes and lettuce. I love lettuce. That's it. Here we go. Ready.
For the amount of times I have made fun of Suran in Manjri Barde's house, I can tell you today it is a once a week meal, and I have to say I was totally wrong.
When the bahu says that the sasu is right and she isn't, that's when you know you've done something right. Suran, I tell you, is one of the most underestimated vegetables. It is full of nutrients. Make it Indian style.
And so good for the kids. I cannot even tell you. Han City, all our kids just love it. And I'm telling you, try this at home. Suran is going to be one of your staples, and we promise you that.
Absolutely.
And this is Messy Mama and Sassy Sasu signing out. Till we meet again.
Have fun.
Bye.
There she goes.